Hey, my people, things are really happening in this Enugu state though. You won't believe this one. So Enugu State Governor Dr. Mbah just appointed His Royal Highness Alhaji Abubakar Yusuf Sambo, the Sarkin Hausawa of Enugu State, as his senior special assistant of special duties. What? Yes, you heard that right. A traditional ruler now holding a political office in Enugu State. Not just any traditional ruler, a Hausa traditional ruler. Now the big question is this a welcome development, or is this just a big no-no for you? Let me know in the comments, okay? Because the streets of Twitter are not smiling at all. The backlash has been loud and clear. Some are calling it strategic inclusion, while others are shouting betrayal of heritage. Stay tuned to this video because I will read out every single one of these comments and you tell me what you think about it. Let's be honest, it raises some valid questions. First of all, can a Royal Highness also hold a political position? I'm just curious. Let me know in the comment also. Like, what now happens to his traditional title? Can he combine both roles effectively, or is there a conflict of interest here? My second question is there really no qualified Enugu indigene for this kind of position? I'm so curious. Abi, we've now started outsourcing our senior special assistant. Does he know the true do's and don'ts of Enugu state governance? And maybe the loudest question in the room, if it was the other way around, would an Igbo traditional ruler be given this kind of political post in any northern state? In fact, I hope this appointment encourages Northerners to also begin giving Igbos in their states similar opportunities. We love inclusion, but it has to go both ways. Is Omenani slowly being pushed aside? I'm not saying anything, but let's be honest with ourselves. Can an Igbo chief living in Kano or Sokoto be given such a political appointment? I mean, we all are looking for unity, but is it truly reciprocal? Now, to be fair, some are saying this move shows inclusiveness. It promotes peace and it acknowledges the presence of the Hausa community in Enugu State. And yes, they've lived there for generations, that's true. But others are asking, how much does Sarkin Hausawa know about the inner workings of Enugu culture, people and grassroots issues? Well, like I said, let's not be quick to condemn. Maybe, just maybe, this move could inspire northern governors to also start appointing Igbos in their states. Let's see how far this inclusiveness will go, not just in the east. Anyway, let's pause here a bit, take a look at this short video.
Yes, His Royal Highness Sarkin Abubakar Yusuf Sambo, Sarkin Hausawa Enugu State. That is onye ndị ugwu nọ n'Enugu State. Governor Nike Nkechukwu nyere Senior Special Assistant on Special Duty. Kambia solo. Abanyara na nsi ugwu iji gosi onye ndu anyị bụ gọvanọ Enugu State abụrụ onye na-eme ka ebe isi ka ihe na-eme ka religion gị onye petru Nigeria ka ọ Enugu ebe a ka amụ nwa bụ onye Enugu amara m ebe ọzọ na-abụghị Enugu State ebe a bụ my state and the governor egosigo m yes na ọnụnọ nọ n'Enugu abụrụ in vain. Ọ kpọtago m ka nsoro ya arụ ọrụ obele amamihe Chukwu nyere m ka ngosikwu ya so that na anyị ga-enwe unity and development in Enugu.
Okay, you all have heard from him, and so because of YouTube's policy, I will not be able to read out the comments from Twitter, but I urge you to kindly read them and tell me what you think. Meanwhile, let's talk. Do you support this appointment, or do you feel it sends the wrong message about leadership, tradition, and representation? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. No insults, please, just healthy conversation. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.